Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions from speaking part 1. Do you use computer very much?
Yeah, I use computer very much. I use computer in study and search different topics.
Okay, this is still a short answer. At least 4 to 5 sentences to speak an
Search
answer.
different topics and conversation with my relatives through WhatsApp. So I on WhatsApp on my computers.
Okay, when do you use computer?
Mostly I use computer evening time.
In the evening time?
Mostly I use computer in the evening time. This time I feel free and this time I do different tasks related to my subjects and my
Okay, what do you usually do on computer?
on computer I usually work related to my subjects, write different codings and create different websites and that I need especially and I'll search all of these things that is updates on computers.
Okay, just focus your grammar, okay? How did you learn to use computer?
I learn coding, especially these days I learn arts course mobile applications. So through mobile applications I watch different videos to this related to this course and different.
Okay, so this is how I learned to use computer. So you can say I did a short course on computers from a local college and they taught me how to use computers. Then I watched some videos on YouTube. So now I can comfortably use computer. Okay, do you think people will use computers more in the future?
Yeah, I think mostly people use computer in futures because in this
Most of the people will use computers in the future. Future tense. Now your answer should be in future simple.
most of
Yeah.
the people will use computer in futures because in this IT era mostly people need computer every time. So I think
Okay.
computer is very important.
All right, it's better than before. Okay, keep it up like this and make yourself familiar with all the questions. Thank you.